welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sienna, and today I have hid all my fidgets around my house. Well, not the whole entire bit, but upstairs. And I hid them a while ago, so I don't really know where they are. Mostly they are in my room though. And this is my box because it's empty, and that's what we're going to use. And if you see anything, just say in the comments. Anyways, let's just go. First, I'm going to check behind all my pillows. Not behind there. What's that? This is my rainbow snapper. First one collected, yay. Also, I don't know how I didn't notice this, but this is my pop tube. Also, just saying, I lost my green color changing needle. That's fine. Okay, let's check in my. Oh, my homemade stress ball. Second one found. Third one found. Anyways, let's keep going. Oh, that's my mini puppet. Hello. Fourth one found. Let's keep going. Surprisingly, nothing in here. And there's also nothing in here. Let's go check in my LOL OMG. Do you guys see anything up there? Is that my monkey needle? Wow. I don't know how it got here, but I don't not remember hiding my monkey needle here, but let's go. Wait, I think I saw something behind here. I'm not sure. Oh, that's my snake. Oh, another one found. I have heaps more to go. Let's keep going. Let's leave it here for now. Ooh, is that my puppet? Yep. Feels so nice still. Okay, let's keep going. I'm going to check under my table. This I will not count. Ooh, my infinity cube. I like this. Is there anything under there, if you guys can see? No? Okay. Wait. What's that? Oh, that's my Rubik's Cube. Wow. Now let's go on to the other side. Now let's keep finding. Surprisingly, nothing in here and nothing in there. Let's keep going. By the way, this is my giant unicorn. Oopsies. And also today this is my name just saying, and I also might be getting the large puppets, like the square kind. Anyways, it keeps going. I don't really think there's nothing in here, but we just need to check. I'm not sure. Ooh, is that my stress ball? Yep. Piggy. I don't really like this one because it runs out of air like that. Okay, let's keep going. I don't think there's anything in there, because I usually hid them in the first spot. Is there anything in here? Ooh. No, there's nothing in. I thought I felt something, but don't worry, there's nothing there. I don't know how I didn't see my slinky right there. Come here. And if I'm missing something, that means I didn't check everywhere. Get inside, Mr. Big Fat Butt. Okay, let's keep looking on this side to see if there's still more. Well, I don't know. I'm not really sure if there's any more here, but Yeah. Surprisingly, I didn't really see anything, so we're gonna go outside of my room now. Let's keep going. Let's keep oofing. We were in my bathroom and just saying sorry if if there's talking in the background, just please ignore it. And two, there's an echo because I'm in my empty bathroom. Anyway, let's keep finding some. I like this comb because it's like a fidget because like you can do this. And I just had a bunch just saying. And it's really nice, but that's not my fidget. We can't really find anything here. Oops. Nothing. What's that yellow thing? Okay, I don't think that's a fidget because I don't have that much yellow fidgets. Don't think there's anything in there. Oh, here you go. It's my spiky ball, a bit bouncy. I like the colors when it bounces. Now that's done. I don't think there would be in my bathtub, but we'll see. Hello, little bath. Yep, there's nothing in here. Let me just check in here. Nothing. I just checked in here and there's nothing in there, so let's keep going. There's nothing, and it's not in the shower, but let's keep going. I don't really know what I have left, but I have not found my pea popper, I think. So we need to get that. If I can't find it, great, just amazing. Anyway, let's keep going. We are now here, and like I said, we're in the toilet room. And like I said, please ignore it. And I don't really, I did not know there. I'm gonna check under here. Ooh, oopsies, but found one. Yeah, it's my little one, but it's like a keychain as well. I still have more to find. And I'm not going to count anyone's room or the office. So let's keep going. Let's check this room, and there's no TV because I bring that one downstairs. And so let's keep finding them. Nothing there. And nothing here. Just saying that's not a fidget. It's just a ball that I have, but it's not a foam ball. It's hard. I checked all these drawers down there, and that's my books drawer, even these kind, and it's not in there. Let's check behind my paintings. Nope. Nothing's behind there. Now, I'm gonna check behind there. Oh, my fidget spinners. Yay, and I'm pretty sure that's all the areas I went to, but the thing is, I can't find my pea popper, and I'll tell you guys when I find that, and I'll maybe make a video, like when I come back from the shops, maybe today. I might get my big poppet, which is a square kind. Anyways, bye! And don't forget, if you're new, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video of mine. And don't forget to comment, and yeah. Anyway, if you want more or like hide and seek challenge, well, not really hide and seek, but do stop like fake fidget trading again. And anyways, bye. Sorry that I said I ended it, but I just found my pea popper, and it was just over there where I don't use my stuff anymore. Anyways, bye. Love you all. Bye. Bye.